Hi, I'm Amy Schmidt with Dinner Board with what to make this week. 5 great dinner recipe ideas. Recipe number 1, spaghetti squash bolognese. If you haven't tried spaghetti squash yet, this is the recipe to try. It's quick, easy, and a healthy alternative to pasta. And paired with my weeknight bolognese, it's a great dinner that you can actually eat in its own bowl. Recipe number 2, chicken salsa verde. This recipe came out of the blue. I was stuck for something to make for dinner. I threw a bunch of stuff together in a pot and it came out perfectly. Luckily, I wrote it down. It's chicken with green salsa, a little bit of beer. When shredded, you can literally put this on anything. Tacos, burritos, nachos, eggs. But this week I serve it with rice and beans. Recipe number 3 is tofu with summer vegetables and curry. And before you snub your nose at tofu, let me tell you that this was the best tofu recipe I ever made. It actually had my die-hard meat lover asking for more, so check that out. Recipe number 4, stuffed ciabatta. Why make 4 sandwiches when you can make one big one? I love this for so many reasons. This week I fill a ciabatta loaf with mozzarella, tomato, and basil, but literally you could put anything in it to make one giant sandwich. And what I love so much about it is that it travels so well. Just make sure to bring a knife. I forgot once and it was not pretty, but still delicious. And recipe number 5 is Cobb salad. Chicken, bacon, avocado, cheese, tomato, everything that we love in a salad. One tip, if your family doesn't think that salad counts as dinner, don't tell them it's salad. Just put a plate of all of this goodness in front of them and I bet you they eat it all. So those are the recipes for this week. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what sounds good, what you may try, and please subscribe for more from my channel and more ideas for what to make each week. Thanks for watching.